Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Following on from last video you've just seen, the door frames and whatnot and replacing the speakers. We're delving into the boot area. We're going to replace the speakers in there and the knackered grille on the door. Let me show you. So you can see it's in a bit poor state. I've ordered some replacements which are here. A new grille. I'm not going to tell you where I've got them from. Normally I would, but the customer service from these guys was shocking. It took 2 months for these to come. Been chasing them with messages, where is it? No reply. Eventually I got one message back saying my order had got held up by their website, whatever that means, and it'd be sent out the next Friday or Monday. Still nothing. So I left it a couple of weeks, messaged them back again saying right, cancel my order. And then lo and behold, within half an hour it had been dispatched. So yeah, just do a Google search, Discovery 2 P38 rear speaker upgrade, and it's the only company that do this sort of thing. You'll know they are when you see it. So up to you if you use them or not. You've been warned. So let's get into it. We'll get all these screws removed, get this knackered grille and see what's behind it. Right, let's see how easy these come out. Right, that's the 4 screws removed. So, there we go, it just pops out. I'll stick you there. Right, what's next? Looks like I'll move all these screws here, I think. Do I take the whole thing off? What's it saying? Instructions. Remove the 2 woofers, 4 screws per woofer. Alright, let's do that then. Right, that's them out. And all the wires. Bit of a pig to get out, to be honest with you, because they've glued them in as well as screwed them in. Don't think I'm going to bother snipping them off, because they might actually fit on straight onto there directly, because they give you some new ones here, look, with a tea bag for all your hard-earned money that you've spent with them. So I think it'll just be a case of just plugging them straight on, to be honest with you. Right, let's give that a whirl. That's one in. So yeah, these just fit straight on, so there's no point snipping them off and putting some new ones on, just for the sake of a rubber cover. I've managed to just use one on, slip it over onto the negative one. I ain't bothered with the rest of them, so I'll move them over here. I think what I will do is utilise this free tea bag they've sent and go make a brew. But it uses the original screw holes. There's no need to drill any new holes in this plastic house or anything. It's just a straight fit, thankfully. And you mount them that way so that because the wire's pretty short, so it'll only go to about there. So if you have the terminal down here, it's not going to work. So this is where it shows us how to do it in the picture, so that's what I'm doing. Right, so the wires are plugged in on this side, so basically that's how you want them, face to face with the letters, because you've got not much wire there. So we'll bob that in there, stay, there we go. Let's get that screwed in. last screw going in. Bollocks. That would happen, wouldn't it? Get you in there first. Right, that's all that plugged in. And now the finishing touch, the grill. Let's see what she looks like. So she's gonna go, bear with me. Gonna need 2 hands for this. But yeah, it's gonna look something like that. You screwed up. And there we have the finished product. I think looks a lot smarter than before. So obviously you had this knackered thing here. So yeah. And the sound should be much better as well. Still got, I didn't notice this when I did my door cards the other day. This one's not working. But I have got a spare here, so I'm gonna have to bloody take all this door card off again and replace that. Yeah, getting smarter every day. Quite happy with how it's turning out. So what I'll do now is I'll fire up the radio, put some tunes on and see what the sounds are like. It should be pretty good, I reckon. Right, I'm going to leave this video here. I've just tested it out. It's got some nice fat bass coming from these rear cargo area. I've replaced that broken, it's like a mid-range speaker I suppose, in that door. And everything sounds mint now. Really good. Overall, I'm trying to think how much I've spent. I think all the lower door speakers were about 45 quid, I believe, and the subwoofer kit and the plate here I think it's about £120. So yeah, not too bad really. I ain't gone stupid on the door ones, they're just like a budget vibe, something or other, but those are pretty decent. Audison. So yeah, short video, but again it's just putting some speakers in the door. So right, we'll catch you again on the next one. See you later.